Hello and welcome to another presentation on Microsoft Access. Today we're going to be looking at something in Access called a split form. Now we all know a basic form is just basically a template we use every day. We see it all the time. They ask for your name, your address, and then you fill in the information in the slots provided, as you can see here with title and ISBN. So all this information would be put into the database, and so what happens, Access allows you to create forms. You have a form design, a blank form, similar to what you did with queries, and from here we can do different add different titles into the rows and so forth and so on. So for this assignment, we are asked to create a split form from a basic form. So the basic form, if you can imagine it without this bottom section here, this is actually what you're seeing here is the split form. And then from here, they wanted us to create something that looks like this by using the different tools within Access. One of the things we used was the Create tab, okay, that allowed us to actually create the split form. Here you go to More Forms and you click on Split Form. The assignment asked to go online and to look at some ways to do it. I really honestly did not find anything. Just a lot of people talking in circles and how split forms, how they work and how they're not good or bad, giving their opinions more than how to do something. So I kind of had to discover on my own based upon the lessons learned, and I did it that way. Okay, so now we can see in this form, we go down here to the bottom, which is the split portion of the form. Now originally it was just this section here. Now down here we have this, and what this is enabling us to do is to now see all the data that we have entered here in the bottom, and then go through and see how it looks in the form. And then from here we can get an idea of what maybe we want to edit some things. Like here we made this title section gray, and see if maybe we need to change some information. It just gives us an easier view of what we have going on here. And that's pretty much it. It's a pretty short presentation this week, and I found it to be not so difficult, but again, the only issue was trying to find the information online that I didn't really like what so I just relied on what I knew to try to bring it all together. All right, here's the original form of what it looked like, and then this is the other form again. Okay, so thanks for listening, and have a great day. Everyone enjoy their holiday. Bye-bye.